Checking out the frequent flyer, and we have an unboxing here. As you guys can see, we got the Blue Alien on deck. This is a F-22. It's a quad by Zago, I guess this says right here. So let's open this up, see what it is. These little quads like this are usually just for show, really not performance heavy. But this one piqued my interest because it's a little different. It's a micro sized craft as opposed to the other ones that were always larger or maybe smaller. So wow, this is a very light material here. This time it's not all foam, just the bottom of it seems to be foam. It seems to be really nicely made. Check it out. So this top here feels like it's plastic, or at least has a plastic coating on this foam here. So doesn't feel flimsy at all. Hope it flies nice. So this is the transmitter. This transmitter looks strikingly similar to the transmitter of the Jetpack Hero. And that's this guy, if you guys were wondering. The transmitter looks very similar. Probably the same maker or whatnot. So we have a high and low switch here. This looks like it's auto takeoff and landing. Or maybe this one is. Not sure what this is. Maybe this is a flip button. The buttons do not press in on the sticks. We do have trim buttons here. 2 extra props. Only 2, just like that Jetpack Hero did. And it does come with this 1S battery here. It has a JST connection on it. An instructions manual here. We're not really going to go through that. Instructions manual. So let's see. This hatch opens that way. The battery compartment. Let's pop the battery in. See if we have any lights or anything like that. Does have that USB charger in there. So looks like there's no on and off switch or anything. Oh, there's an on and off button here once you close the hatch. So let's close the hatch and press this button. So we do have some lights to indicate that it's on, at least, but not for night flying at all. And so pretty soft landing, being that it's light, and it does have these rubber feet on the little motor post there. So yeah, let's take this thing up in the air and check it out. Alright y'all, so this thing flew extremely well indoors, and that has made me question if it actually can be flown outdoors. So we're gonna find out now. Sit this thing down. I'm gonna go straight to the highest rate. So it's kind of slow outdoors, I guess. But it does fly outdoors though. Check out the yaw rate. This is the top speed, by the way. It does have altitude hold, so check it out. And it does do flips, so let's try flip. It does backward flips too. Backwards flips. The other one, the larger, older models were unable to do this backwards flip. And it even does front flips. So it actually flips really nice. Pick it up higher. Backwards flips. Yeah, so this thing isn't bad. Definitely better than the previous models. And I think it being smaller, actually being a micro, plays some part in that. I'm wondering if it would be better if it didn't have altitude hold. But altitude hold probably keeps it a lot more stable. So really easy to fly. Probably really nice for beginners and children. And has nice control. So let's see if this one button press to land works. Quick demo flight of this quad made to be a plane. Thanks for watching.